Unit 7 is the restorative nursing unit, and there are 5 lesson plans in that unit. The first is Principles of Restorative Nursing, which is lesson plan 1, and it will specifically talk about the cost of immobility, not only financially to the facility, but physically to the resident, psychosocially to the resident, not being able to move around and do things on their own. Imagine that you know exactly what you want. I want this cup. I need a drink. But wait, I've had a stroke. Now, my brain can still tell me that what I really need is to move my arms, and maybe I get this far, and I can't make my brain can't make my arm do what I know it needs to do. And so I sit here, and I keep staring at the cup, and I'm still thirsty, but there's nothing that I can do for myself to make that happen. So if you can imagine how that might feel, then you have a better understanding of why keeping that glass closer with a straw, a lid, so if I have an accident and it spills over, I'm not wet and you have to change me. Or that you are more responsive when you walk in and you see the glass and they're staring at it. You think to ask, Cheryl, are you thirsty? Here, let me help you get the glass. I can only just fathom how that must feel to sit here and know I want that drink, but I don't have the ability to make my arms do what my brain commands. You just imagine that frustration for a little bit. Maybe when we imagine that frustration, we can start to understand how some residents get short with us. It's not so much they're short with us, they're short of their frustration. They are tired of that frustration, and they feel helpless to change it. And in most cases, they are helpless to change it.